What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be going through my tire setups for my XC racing bike and how much they weigh. So let's get started. So first up we have the Ikon. It's a 29 by 2.35. It's a little bit wider than my Recon Races now on my current setup. I went with the 3C max speed, obviously for racing. And it has the XO protection, tubeless ready, all that. But yeah, seems to be a little more grippy, but we'll see how that is once it gets on there. A little more faster rolling as well. And we're gonna weigh this right after we go through the Forekaster. So next up, Forekaster 29 by 2.4. So I'm putting this in the front. Definitely need a wider tire and more aggressive tire in the front than the Recon Race. It was my first race, went all right, just slipping around a little bit, so I definitely want something a little bit bigger on the front. This will definitely be a little heavier. I went with the 3C Max Terra. So yeah, let's get to weighing these. So we'll take into consideration a couple grams due to the packaging here. So first up we have the Ikon. And in pounds, it's coming in at 1.88 pounds. And that translates to 0.855 kilograms. Then next up we have the Forekaster, a little bit wider, definitely has some bigger tread on it. Let's let it calibrate here. In kilograms, this is 0.965, and in pounds, 2.13 pounds, so definitely a little bit heavier there. But definitely needed. Weight is important when racing, but I'd rather be more comfortable on my bike. So that's why I'm putting these on. And I wanted to go tubeless. The ones I have now are not. So yeah, can't wait to see what these do. I'll definitely update you guys on the difference. So stay tuned for that. But that's going to conclude today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.